Everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So it's supposed to be snowing all night, and it sure looks like we got some snow. So let's see how deep it is and see what the dogs do. Ooh, the door's frozen shut. Ah! Woo-wee! Still got water in front of my place, of course. No snow. Look at this. Slush. Water on the camera. Ooh, look at Skit half buried. This is awesome. Oops, sorry, Lucy. And we got a serious snow load on these trees. Go, Lucy, go. Junior doesn't know what to do. He can't see what he's walking in. You don't know where your ball is, do you, Lucy? You don't know where the ball is. They're all buried. Yeah, so according to the truck, it looks like about 6 inches of snow. That's not half bad. Yeah, that's like, what, an inch of water? Uh-oh. Those trees are... These olive trees are not doing too well. All this snow. It's not like they were in great shape in the first place, but... Oh, what am I doing? I forgot to put my boots on. I'm walking in my slippers. Go, Lucy, go! Yeah! That's gorgeous. Sun? Oh no, the sun's out. That means I gotta go to work today. Oh well. If I can get out of here. I got all terrains on, so might be able to make it. Lucy's just having a blast. Go, Lucy, go. Yeehaw. Yep. It's probably gonna melt pretty quick with that sun out. And there's supposed to be more snow later today. And then we get the weekend off, and then there's 4 days of rain and snow off and on. So we will see. Adios. God bless.